Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll answer a common question like can you move PayPal to the bottom at Shopify checkout? Let's find out. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the checkout section. Here we can see there is PayPal payment section. So there is some limitations to reorder, rename, or hide the PayPal Express in checkout. So many merchants want to move this option below other payment method, but there is some limitation. I'll explain that. So that go to the app section and here click on next reorder app. So in this next reorder, we can hide, we can rename, and we can reorder the payment method. So here I just click on quick reorder payment method. Here we can see there is some payment method like ShopPay, PayPal, credit card like that. So the next reorder app let you reorder many payment method. However, PayPal Express checkout is different. So Shopify doesn't allow Express checkout button like PayPal Express to be reordered. So that's it. That's the Shopify limitation, not a next reorder app limitation. So the same rule is applies to other express wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Shop Pay, Cash Pay, and one more like that. So that's it. That's we can't hide, rename, or reorder like some of that payment methods. So that's it. Now you know why PayPal Express checkout can't be moved to the bottom at checkout. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.